Thunderstorm warning for east central Macoupin County is canceled. The line of storms which prompted the warning have moved out of the warned area. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Logan County, east central Mason County, eastern Menard County, extreme north central Sangamon County until 7:15 p.m. At 6:25 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Raffens, or 13 miles north of Springfield, and moving north at 35 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Mason City, Greenview, Middletown, Easton, St. Joe's, Emden, Sweetwater, and New Holland. This includes Interstate 155 between mile markers 5 and 11. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Christian County, southern Macon County, west central Moultrie County, northwestern Shelby County until 7:30 p.m. At 6:25 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Farmersville to Witt and moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Taylorville, Decatur, Morrisonville, Kincaid, Pana, Edinburgh, Tower Hill, Assumption, Stonington, Mount Albert, Westerville, Blue Mound, Moequa, Macon, Findlay, Harristown, Bethany, Dalton City, Mount Zion, and Palmer. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Friday evening for southwestern Illinois. The severe thunderstorm